I really have to open up and...
Are there any couples in the house? Can you clap your hands?
Couples?
Yes, couples that are willing to come on stage. Hello, you in the blue jacket? Yes, sir. Please come up on stage with your jowa.
Yay!
Palakpakan natin sila. Her name is 8?
Yeah, Gerard and Ja8.
Oh, okay.
Parang Ja-Rule, pero Ja8.
Okay.
I wanted to ask a little bit about you guys. How long have you been together?
It's our third wedding anniversary now.
Today! Today!
Happy anniversary! Amazing!
O, di ba gift natin, bongga?
Yeah! So can I know how the both of you met? How did the both of you meet?
Ay, napasahan pa.
You hang up.
Sa isang campsite. Na may camp nun kami sa church. So,
Church camp. Okay. Can I ask the first thing you noticed about each other? What was the first thing you noticed about him?
Magaling kumanta.
Magaling kumanta. And you, what did you notice?
mas magaling kumanta daw.
They're singers. Who made the first move? Ooh.
Sige, ako na lang.
Siya daw. Where did you go on your first date?
Starbucks.
Starbucks. So that's all we're gonna get from you. And what's gonna happen is we're giving you this very high-tech tool. Try to press the green button. Ayan, you have one also. Okay, whenever you hear something that is true, I would like you to ring the bell. When something is wrong, can you buzz with the red button? Ayan. So the reason we have two is because each of you have your own opinion. So, for example, if Ariel says this, you can say if it's true or not. Like,
Ja-7.
ganyan.
Ja-8.
Yan. Perfect. So, ladies and gentlemen, let us see how this couple gets together with Bibay and Ariel. Let's give them a round of applause.
Kailangang makapagpaapoy sa campsite na to. Magpipitch na lang ako ng tent. Ang ganda pala ng hotel dito.
Kanina pa ako hike with my 40-year-old friends. Ang haba ng biyahe ko para pumunta dito sa hotel na to.
I'm so excited to encounter God.
Siguro dito ko na siya matatagpuan yung talagang pinagpe-pray ko ilang taon na. Siguro dito ko matatagpuan siya yung pinag-pray ko kahapon lang. Siguro wala akong matatagpuan dito. Pero okay lang. I think I will make new friends. You know, I really have to open up and...
Seek ye first the kingdom of God and His righteousness. Ay, sorry.
Sorry, na-carried away ako.
Na-carried away ako. Hinahanap ko at natagpuan ko, sabi nga, I'm Gerard.
Gerard, I'm Ja8. Pleased to meet you.
Pleased to meet you. Nandito ka rin ba para sa camp?
Oo, kasi talagang pinlano ko to last year pa, pero hindi ako natuloy.
Ako every year nandito ako eh. Joke lang. Actually, first time ko dito. Every other year. It's such providential event na kung kailan ako umattend, first time mo.
Oo, first time ko. Siguro, you can show me around since medyo veterano ka na rito.
First time din namin dito. Naaalala ko pa naman.
Oo.
Gusto mo magkape?
Sige. Hindi.
O sige, di maglakad na lang muna
Maglakad
tayo.
muna tayo.
Siguro some other time.
Oo.
Balang araw, makakapagkape rin tayo. Some other time. Jait,
Gerard!
I'm so happy that you agreed to go out with me and, you know, have some coffee.
Yes, after 1 month na hindi tayo nagkita. After 2 months na hindi tayo nagkita. After 1 week na hindi tayo nagkita.
Mga 1 year na tayong di nagkita.
Okay lang, ang mahalaga, nandito
Di
tayo.
Pasensya ka na. Lagi akong text sa'yo, kinukulit kita eh.
Oo nga eh. Buti na lang sinagot ko kaagad yung yung alok mong pumunta dito sa Starbucks today.
Oo nga, buti pumayag ka. Lilibre sana kita ng paborito kong drink na Americano. Dati. How about you?
Favorite ko talaga yung frap dito. Favorite ko talaga yung latte dito. Favorite ko talaga yung Starbucks.
Sige, isulat na lang natin yung order natin.
Sige.
Ako, macchiato.
Siguro gagaya na lang ako sa'yo.
Toast?
Toast.
Ang init. Just like you.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Ariel and be mine, of course, Gerald and Jae.
Thank you. Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
Thank you for spending it with us.
Para sa inyong anniversary, isa lang. Kasi iisa naman ang inyong puso.
Spit Manila.